Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you one of the most useful tricks in iOS 26. How to quickly view your hidden photos. Many iPhone users move private photos into the hidden album, but then forget exactly where to find them. Don't worry, because in just a few simple steps, you'll have full access. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 26. Then, open the Photos app. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Collections tab. Now scroll down until you reach the Utilities section. Here you'll notice an option called Hidden. When you tap on it, your iPhone will immediately ask for Face ID or your passcode. This step ensures that only you can access those private files. Once verified, your hidden photos and videos will appear instantly, neatly organized inside this folder. That's how fast and secure the process is. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more iOS 26 tips and tricks. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss the latest updates.